The imperative in English. Imperative is used to give instructions, orders, advice, warn, or invite someone to do something. To use the imperative in English, we use an infinitive verb. Clean the kitchen. Open the window. Leave me alone. Wear a jacket. It's too cold outside. To the negative form, it is necessary to add do not or don't. Do not is more insistent than don't. Do not smoke. Don't go. Don't leave the door open. Don't talk to me. Using the imperative. Number one, to give instructions. Push the red button. Turn right after the post office. Number two, to give an order. Come here. Sit down. Stop talking. Go out. To give advice. Stay home if you are sick. Tell him what you really think. Number four, to invite someone to do something, preferably with please. Please come to the party. Please hold the line. Please have a drink. Please wait here. English people use the word kindly in writing to make a request. Kindly send me a copy of the last email as soon as possible. You can also use just, please, or if you wouldn't mind to make the imperative less brutal and more polite. Come with me, please, if you wouldn't mind. Just give me a minute, please. You can also accentuate imperative sentences by using never or always before the main verb. Always wash your hand before lunch. Never drive without a seat belt. The imperative with let's, contraction of let us. Let's have a break. Let's not tell him about it. Let's ask this man. Let's do not forget to close the door. Some common phrases to the imperative. Have fun. Hurry up. Enjoy your meal. Don't be late. Keep quiet. Give me a minute. Don't worry. Please take a seat.